Welcome to the first episode of App Weekly. Today, I have some thrilling news for you all. I've been working on the first application called Memo, and it's finally live. Here's the story behind Memo. Long meetings were becoming to take too much time. Although often crucial, I found myself unable to attend them all. The challenge was to stay updated with what transpired in those meetings, and importantly, the action points that emerged. I thought, wouldn't it be great if there was a way to get a succinct summary of each meeting, complete with key takeaways and even suggestions for improvement? And so, Memo was born, a solution that transcribes and summarizes your meetings, providing an actionable memo you can share with all participants. It pinpoints key action points and even suggests improvements. I used OpenAI heavily during the development process as my sparring partner, and in just a week, Memo was up and running. The process of creating Memo was truly a ride filled with creativity and productivity. For the first time, I experienced what it feels like to be a super developer. It was like having the productivity of 10 developers all wrapped up into one. It was like having a turbo boost button that propelled me through coding at an extraordinary pace. Here are some examples of prompts I used. Below is how my index.js now looks like. Add the logging functionality. Style it with consta so it keeps looking like iPhone app. Update it so the logging block doesn't stretch on desktop, but instead keeps it as wide as the sign-in with Google Text. That doesn't look good. Let's make the whole page only a fraction of screen width when user is not logged in. Working with AI isn't always a walk in the park. It's not a mind reader, it sometimes loses the context and can repeat the same mistakes. But you know what? The more time you spend with it, the more context you provide, the better the collaboration becomes. It's like a dance, and as you keep practicing, you become more in sync with your AI partner. And that's when the real magic starts to happen. Now, let's talk about how you can use Memo. You can feed it any public URL video, including Google Drive videos, and Memo will handle the rest. Just make sure your videos share permissions are set to public. Memo will download your video, extract the audio, and then it will give you the summary of the meeting with recommendations. All files will be deleted after processing to ensure your data's privacy. Time for a fun moment. An epic voice-style ad for Memo.
In a world where meetings sprawl into marathons, one hero emerges to challenge the status quo. Its name, Memo. Powered by AI, it cuts through hours of conversation, capturing the essence and delivering a concise summary. Key points captured, decisions made, noted, suggestions for improvement, handled. Memo, because your time matters. Now available on appweekly.net. Use responsibly.